The day has come after a year of not touching my hair. We are gonna be dyeing it today pink again. But I was looking at old pictures of myself. I kind of miss my blonde hair, so I decided that I'm just gonna do an ombre pink because my hair has already grown out so much. This way, once it grows out more, I can just cut off all the pink and have a fresh new blonde look. My appointment is at 3 and it's about to be 1, so I'm just gonna do my makeup now. I'm just putting on some skincare and then I'm gonna do my makeup. If you're wondering what I'm using, actually this is not sponsored or anything. I actually love this brand. I'm using basically all Skin 1004. I have their ampoule, their sunscreen. This sunscreen is actually amazing. It's my go-to. And then this one I just started trying, so I can't fully recommend this one yet because I just started trying this literally yesterday. But this is their Madagascar Centella Soothing Cream. And it's actually like a brown color. I was shocked when I first saw that because normally the Centella creams are clear in color. But this is only my second day using it and so far I like it. It doesn't have a scent, which I like. I don't like skincare that has any fragrance. My skin is too sensitive for that. So I will update you if I actually end up liking it, but so far so good. So I just finished my makeup. If you guys would like a daily makeup tutorial, let me know and I will film one for you guys. But let's get going. And this is the outfit I'm planning to go for. Ignore the mess in the background. I am currently moving apartments, so everything is just kind of messy. But this is what I want to do. I got this cute Hello Kitty shirt, and I got this actually from Target. I got this from Target, and then I'm just matching it with these, like this. This is my YouTube video. Say hi.
Hi.
I just finished. This is what it looks like. It's not exactly what I planned, but I think it looks good. And I got a V-cut in the back. Okay. So I am back in the car now. That literally took like 4 hours, but I'm not complaining because I absolutely love getting my hair done and I just feel so magical with pink hair. I feel like an in real life Seraphine, but I will show you it either later today or tomorrow depending on the lighting because this lighting just doesn't do it justice. How do you like my hair?
Yep, I love it. And I get my hair cut too.
Yours looks good.
Yep, you can't even see it right
I know this lighting because how long it takes for my hair?
It takes 3 hours.
I think almost 4.
3.5, I think. Yeah.
But it looks good.
Yep,
I just wish my hair can always be this soft and straight.
No.
But I can't do it as good as them.
It's okay, you got it.
Yeah. Oh, and I will see you guys later. I literally look crazy and I forgot to film it, but I'm doing one of these face masks. This is by Sungboon Editor, and these were going viral on TikTok. So when you put it on, it's like this white color. And then as it starts to dry, it literally dries into like this clear color. I've had this on for like 2 hours and it's not fully dry yet, but I'm just gonna leave it. And this literally gives the most glassiest, glowiest skin ever. I love these masks and I literally look crazy, but I'm just gonna leave this on, lay in the bed, and probably fall asleep because it is 2 a.m.
Okay, what do you do?
I accidentally left the house with my slippers, my inside shoes, and now they're gonna be dirty.
What to do?
I don't know.
It's okay, just wash it later.
Hi guys, so I'm just getting ready because I am about to go get my nails done. I literally cannot talk and do eyeliner at the same time, so I'm just gonna do this real quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, Piper wanted to come up and say hi. Hi, Piper. I need to leave in 10 minutes. We don't have time for kisses. Okay guys, so I just got back from getting my nails done. This is what they look like. I'll put in a picture here. And I was gonna film clips inside of there, but honestly, I do not think I'm ever getting gel polish again. So I don't know if it's just because my nails are so thin. Like I have very, very thin nails. They break off like that. But it hurt so bad. The prep hurt so bad. I had to tell the lady, please stop for a second because it hurt so bad. She kept filing, like using the Dremel, the nail drill on my real nail. And I thought that you're not supposed to do that. But yeah, she did. I mean, they look great, but for that pain, I do not think it's worth it. If any of you guys know, I actually went in there and I wanted to get acrylic because I knew like my nails are so thin, I didn't want to deal with the drilling. But I guess with this design, you can't do that with acrylic. So I just showed her a picture and she did exactly what I wanted. Exactly what the picture looked like. But in my head, I thought that this could be done with acrylic, but I guess acrylic, you can't do this. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. I have no idea about nails. But yeah, so my nails underneath here, I don't even want to know what they're like. My pinky nail is literally throbbing. They're probably destroyed. So after this set, I'm probably gonna not do my nails for like 3 months because that was painful. I'm gonna let them all grow out, and then if I want to get my nails done, I'm just gonna do acrylic, like one color acrylic, because that, I don't want to go through that again. I'm so sad because they look so good, but it hurts so bad. It's pouring, so I gotta run inside, but I don't know. I feel upset because my nails hurt, but they are good. I don't know. You guys are wondering or curious, my nails do not hurt anymore and they're super pretty. I love them. I'm worried what they're gonna look like underneath. I know that the actual nail bed is damaged, so I'm just gonna let these grow out fully and I'll go from there. But currently they don't hurt, so that's all that matters. Guys, so I just realized I never ended this video. Also, I do have a shirt on. It is just very low. I don't know. Anyways, I just wanted to end this video properly. This is why I have been putting off ending this video. If you can hear my boyfriend in the background, he is playing video games and he is very, very loud. So try to ignore that. I don't know. Anyways, I want to show you this lipstick I am wearing. It is so pretty. It is by Flowerknows and it's actually one of their glosses. This all summer, it's been like my summer go-to. But yeah, I just did my hair and makeup. I'm gonna film some TikTok videos. I need to do some hairstyles, and I do want to start posting longer content like hairstyles and makeup on here too. So I've already said it like 3 times in this video, but just let me know what you want to see on this channel. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please hit the subscribe and like button, and I will see you very, very soon.